MongoDB Shell and how to connect to the database with the shell. There are many ways to connect to your MongoDB database. In this video, we will start by using the MongoDB Shell, Mongo SH. You can also use the official instructions to install Mongo SH on your operating system. I will also provide a link to a video where you can download MongoDB and install on your system locally. So for now, we are going to first going to connect using the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. So we can go over there and click on Clusters Connect, and then you can see Shell over here. Click on this, and here you get the option to select your operating system and download the MongoDB Shell. And you can download it. I already have it on my system. And then you need to get the connection string to connect with the Mongo SH, and this is my connection string. I will just copy this one, or you can just copy the whole command with this is the Mongo SH and client, and this is the string, and just open the terminal and paste it on the terminal, this command. And I'm just going to paste it and hit enter, and it will ask for the password you have for your cluster setup. You need to enter that password and just enter your password. And after you're done typing the password, just hit enter. And now you're connected to your Atlas cluster. And here you can perform a query and to look up the databases. To show all the databases, just type show DBS, and just hit enter. And here is the result. I also have MongoDB installed on my local system, so we're just going to exit from here and connect to our local system, our local database. To connect to your local, you can also provide the local connection string, or you can just type in Mongo SH and hit enter. And now we are connected to our local hosted MongoDB, and here we are going to show the databases. So we are gonna do show DBS, and you just need to type this and hit enter. And these are in our local database. You can also check the version of the Mongo SH. So we'll just exit, and we'll type Mongo SH -- version and just hit enter. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.